Yes, how you doing today? You doing all right?
So far, so good, sir. How can I help you?
Yes, it was probably about 6 months ago. I was pumping gas at your gas station, and I was pumping gas, and I got down, to my house, and the gas light came on, and all of a sudden, when I opened up the gas cap, a bird flew out of there. Do y'all check y'all's the people that put gas in y'all's tanks?
Hold on. Let me make sure I'm getting this right. 6 months ago, you were getting gas. You got
Yes.
your gas from our gas station. You were driving home.
Right.
Driving home, your light turned on. You was like, well, my gas light is on. Oh, got out the car, opened up the gas cap, and a bird flew out.
Yes, and that is correct. And I know it sounds crazy as it sounds, but
No, it don't sound crazy. I'm 31. I've seen a lot of things, but that doesn't surprise me. We get gas deliveries fairly recently, at least 2 or 3 times a week. The Circle K gas man goes out there and checks the tanks and everything, and fixes the tanks and opens the tops up to them. So if there was anything in there, it should have flew out.
Well,
He got in and got stuck. Did it cause any damage to your vehicle?
no, I mean I got the bird out, because like I got parrots, I collect birds and stuff like that. I like birds, and I let it fly out because I don't want any bird kind of damage, because I like birds, and I have birds at my house.
He's part of God's green earth too. No reason for him to get caught up in something that we got going on. I fully understand that, sir.
Yeah, and
what I can do, I'm just the assistant store manager. What I can do is next time we get a gas delivery and I am here, and I'll leave a note for my boss, just before they start doing anything.
Right.
We'll check inside the tank to make sure there are no live animals.
And I just wonder, are some people putting like stuff in there?
You think people put stuff in there? I mean, we have it sealed off and it's locked, so no one has access to it except for us and Circle K gas man.
I don't know. It's kind of weird though. Why would a bird just fly out of my gas tank like that? That's weird, ain't it?
Yes, sir. I'm still here. I don't know how that bird got in there, sir, but like I said, all I can do is have our gas man double check next time he gets us gas, and from now on to double check, and I'll leave a note for my boss so we don't end up, getting any of the Lord's critters.
Well, I just, y'all probably need like to check those people that put that gas in those tanks. Make sure they don't, put some stuff in there, because there's all kinds of stuff that could be put in there when they're putting gas in those tanks.
Okay, sir.
And I'm just letting you know, as for the future, just to make sure you check the people that put gas in there, because it could have popped me in the eye, or it could have seriously hurt me real bad, and then like who knows what could have happened.
Yeah, I appreciate you giving us a call and alerting us to this, possible potential problem, sir.
Yeah, I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to go get gas there anymore. It just kind of scared me. I mean, what if it could have been a snake, or an elephant, whatever? I don't know.
I understand, sir, that it's very frightening, and you have the right to choose where you feel up, where you feel safe.
That's right. And I probably just ain't gonna come up there anymore. And I appreciate talking to y'all, but this just ain't gonna work. I don't want to get hurt in my life. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so very much.
All right. Bye.